We will begin this match in 3, 2, 1, go.
Match 5 here at the Chicago Robotics Invitational Premier event in 2025. This is our first lower bracket match, as Maddie mentioned earlier. So one of these alliances will unfortunately be eliminated from the tournament. Both alliances fighting strongly here in our match. Our first initial phase, as usual, autonomous. A very close live score for the moment. Robots scoring yellow samples in the baskets. Fortunately, a few spill out of the baskets.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
2 minutes to play, and our unofficial live score currently in favor of the Red Alliance for the moment, 167 to 113. But once again, this is still a very close score and a very exciting match as both alliances fight to remain in the bracket. On the front side of the field, the Red Alliance's Ice Robotics, I believe, successfully scores a specimen on the upper rung of that front submersible. That high rung specimen worth 10 points. Now they quickly score another specimen on the low chamber for 6 more points before getting bumped into by the Blue Alliance's Super Scream Bros. Fortunately, that Super Scream Bros specimen does fall to the floor, but they quickly reset and grab another sample from the submersible zone to try and score for their alliance. Red Alliance pulling away with an early lead here, but we still got just about 70 seconds left in the match. Ice, once again, at center field, scoring another 10-point specimen and trying to contest for ownership of that center high rung on the rear submersible. They've now got 3 red specimens up next to those 3 blue specimens. We should have to see who is able to maintain ownership of that chamber at the end of the match. Falcons Robotics green of the Red Alliance. That green machine making its way on towards the nets. There at the top, bottom right corner of the field, they're lining up, and that is a successful 8-point sample score in the high basket as they add to their alliance early lead. 34 seconds left now on the clock. On the front side of the field, we got another Blue Alliance robot looking for a sample. It's going to be NK Shrimps as they reach in for another sample and make their move. They decide on the net zone. 8 points there in the high baskets. 18 seconds now left on the clock as robots go for those final samples and specimen scores. Looks like a bit of a shoving match at the rear of the field. The Blue Alliance robot and Red Alliance robot pushing up against each other, trying to find some space potentially to score specimens or to grab a hold of the submersible with 2 seconds left on the clock. Some final flag waves there. Hopefully we will see what happens.
Certified at that. We have the results though. Moving on in our playoff tournament in the lower bracket, it is the Red Alliance, your number 4 seeded alliance, winning 508 to alliance number 6's 306. We're going to see alliance number 4 again in playoff match number 8.
And that does mean that we have our first send-off to make here of our playoff bracket. So folks, let's hear it. Oh, I just lost the score sheet, or just lost the alliance. There we are. Let's hear it one last time for our Blue Alliance.